Hi third graders, today we are moving on to lesson 15-2, classifying shapes. And for the solve and share today, you're going to need 2 different colored pencils or crayons, so take those out before we continue on. When you are ready, open up to page 817 and listen as I read the solve and share. And then I want you to pause this video to try it on your own and press play when you're ready to check your answer. So the solve and share says, sort the shapes below into 2 groups. Use colored pencils or crayons to color each group a different color. How did you sort the shapes? How are the shapes in both of your groups alike? So pause this video and try and solve it, and then come back in just a minute. Okay, so I solved this in 2 different ways. Here is version 1, and then I will share with you version 2. So you will see that B, G, and I are in yellow, while all the other shapes are orange. I put B, G, and I together because all of those shapes have sides that are exactly the same length. In all the other shapes in orange, the sides are not the same length. So one group is sides with the same length, and the other is sides that are different lengths. One thing that is similar about all the shapes in this group, though, is that they all have 3 sides. So again, B, G, and I are all shapes that have sides that are the same length. Everything else has different lengths for the sides, but all of these shapes have 3 sides. Here is a second way that I solved it. And you will see that A, D, and K are yellow this time, while the rest are orange. The reason I made A, D, and K yellow is because all of those shapes have a right angle. The rest of my shapes do not have a right angle. A's right angle is here, D's right angle is here, and K's right angle is here. But one thing, again, that is similar about these is that they all have 3 sides, they all have 3 angles, and all of these shapes are triangles. So you can see A, K, and D all have 1 right angle. All the others have no right angles. And all of these shapes have 3 sides, 3 angles, and are called triangles. So today we're going to do some sorting. So if you turn to the next page, and you can watch the visual learning, and we'll check back and do some of the guided practice together. Good luck.